Hello everyone, welcome back to Seven Sense Talent Solution. Today we are going to look at Capgemini off-campus drive for 2020-2021 batch students and how to apply for it. Before we get started, for the latest job opportunity, please subscribe our Telegram channel which is given in the description and also our YouTube channel. And if you like our YouTube videos, please press that like button and don't forget to share the video. Now let us look something about the company first. Capgemini is a multinational IT services and a consulting company. It is the global leader in partnering with companies to transform and manage their business by harnessing the power of technology. It is one of the world's foremost provider of consulting, technology, outsourcing services, and local professional services. It is present in more than 50 countries with more than 2 lakhs employees. The Capgemini Group help its client transform in order to improve their performance and competitive positioning. This is about the company. Now let us look about the eligibility criteria. Coming to the qualification, BA, BCom, BSc, BCA students along with BBA students can apply for this opportunity. You should have a minimum of 55% and above in your 10th, 12th and in your degree. You should be a 2020 or 2021 batch students. There should be no active backlogs, so clear the backlogs as soon as possible. Candidates have to sign 2-year service agreement on the date of joining, so there will be a 2-year agreement with the company. Coming to the next part, that is skills desired in the candidate that the company is looking for in a candidate is that I should possess excellent English written or spoken communication skills. Candidate must be willing to work in 24/7 shift environment, must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology, domain, role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. These are some of the skills that the company is looking for in a candidate. Coming to the next part, coming to the job position, you will be a service desk, and next is the location. It's either in Bangalore or Kolkata you will be placed. Coming to the next part, that is the salary, where 2.5 LPA will be provided for you and your services, and that is the salary. Coming to the next part, that is the important details. Application deadline for this opportunity will be on 30th June 2021. Okay, make sure that you apply for this opportunity before the deadline, and the test location will be virtual, that is online, and test date will be informed later for you guys. Okay, now coming to the note, only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the assessment or selection process. Selection process will be done in virtual mode. Candidates will be responsible for arranging a required infrastructure for preparing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. Okay, you are the responsible for all the requirements required for this process. Okay, coming to the next part, coming to the rounds of selection. Okay, there will be 3 rounds. First will be the written test, where a statement will be given to you and you have to write a paragraph on it to check your English verbal ability. They will do this test. Then it will be a technical test where they will check your technical knowledge, like about troubleshooting, what's an IP address, how to get rid of virus, how to handle phone calls. To check your basic knowledge on electronic devices, they conduct this round. Coming to the next one, HR interview, where your communication skills, your personal details, your speaking ability, and other things will be tested here. Because these are the rounds of selection. That is the selection process. After you cleared all these rounds, you will be selected and placed in either Bangalore or Kolkata. It depends on the vacancies. Coming to the next one, how to apply for this. A registration link will be given in the description. Please check out that. If you click on that, I will show you how to apply it. Okay guys, after you click on the link given in the description, it will be taken to you to this website where you can see the details. Capgemini service desk hiring for 2020 or 2021 batch. Okay, CTC is given, job description is given, eligibility criteria is also given. If you want to apply this, please click on this blue icon, apply now. Then you will have to enter your email address. Okay guys, after you have entered your email ID, it will be taken to this page where you can fill out your details, where your contact details, your education details, all will be taken, profile photo and documents, that is CV, marks cards, okay, all the documents you need to enter here. And after that, your application will be submitted and you will get a confirmation mail from the company for the registered email ID. Okay guys. Okay guys, that was it. If you have any queries, please comment down in the comment section. Okay guys, I would like to add up one more thing is that we have different placement opportunity in our portal. Please check that out. The link will be given in the description, where you can have different placement opportunities worth of different price range, and also you can get access to company specific test, training, etc. Check out that. The link will be given in the description. Thank you guys.